What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Kith collaboration with Asics on this Gel-Lyte 5 in the Leatherback colorway. Today's video is sponsored by the good people from Heffelux. Heffelux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material you'll find with Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below. You'll see they sell 4 different insole options, so depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, whether that's for a pair of winter boots or for sneakers, you're going to find there's a suitable insole for everybody. So I've been a paying customer of Heffelux for years now, and I honestly stand by their products. They truly are very comfortable. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout to get 15% off your entire purchase. So these leatherbacks released alongside the salmon toe colorway, which I also reviewed on my channel a while ago. I got early access to this pair through the Kith loyalty program on November 24th, and they retailed for a price of $165 US or 215 Canadian. The colorway for this shoe is Castle Rock and Black, and the colorway for this shoe adopts the Leatherback Gel-Lyte 3, which was also a collaboration between Kith and Asics back in 2011. So this release was meant to celebrate Kith's 10-year anniversary, but because of shipping delays and logistics issues, I didn't actually get these in hand until last week. So first off, before we go into the details of the shoe, here's a quick look at the box. And just like the salmon toe colorway, the box for the shoe is custom themed, and the colors on the box resemble the colors you'll find on the actual shoe. So on the top we have both Asics and the Kith 10-year anniversary logo, and you'll see the colors on the shoe on the box itself, for example, teal, black, and gray. And just like the salmon toes, this also comes with this dust bag as well. It's done in this cream color, and again on top, printed on, we have both the Asics and the Kith 10-year anniversary logos. And on top of that, inside the box, there's also a special edition pin, which mimics the look of these leatherbacks. So jumping into the details of the shoe, on the toe box, the base layer here, this is constructed out of this gray colored perforated suede. Overlaid on the front toe cap, we have this gray colored nubuck, which is done in a slightly lighter shade of gray. The majority of the remainder of the shoe is constructed out of this smooth black leather. This leather feels soft to the touch and has a shiny finish to it. And on the mid panel, we have the Asics stripes, which is constructed out of this black leather with a secondary teal or aqua layer underneath. On top of this, on the lateral side, we have Gel-Lyte 5 branding, and then we have more of this black leather covering the back of the shoe. Embossed in the center, again, we have that Kith 10-year anniversary logo, and above this, we have this small hit of black colored neoprene. For the laces, so these come with 4 different pairs of laces compared to the 5 that came with the salmon toes. So the standard laces these come with is just your normal flat style lace in black. They also give you a flat style teal colored lace along with a gray colored lace as well. And then the 4th pair is a rope style lace done in a combination of teal and black. Underneath, the tongue is constructed out of this black colored neoprene. We have Asics branding embroidered on the right foot and FIG branding embroidered on the left foot. And this being a Gel-Lyte 5, the tongue is connected to the rest of the shoe, creating this one-piece booty-like fit, sort of like a Nike Huarache. Taking out the insoles, these come with a very well padded foam insole. It's lined in this black colored finish on top, and we have Asics and Kith co-branding stamped on the heel in this teal or aqua colored finish. So the upper of the shoe sits atop this black colored EVA foam midsole. Encapsulated within the shoe but not visible to the eye, we have Asics Gel technology underneath the heel and underneath the forefoot. So this helps with impact protection and shock absorption, and the overall feel of the midsole feels pretty soft to the touch. Flipping the shoe over to the bottom, so the outsole here is constructed out of this teal or aqua colored rubber. In the middle, this black portion, this is just exposed EVA foam, and we have Asics branding right in the center. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these leatherbacks. And for those wondering how these fit, overall I'd say that this shoe is a snug fitting shoe. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. Without knowing any better, I got these in a size 10, and they do fit me quite snug. So I'd say that if you have narrow or normal width feet and you like more of a snug one-to-one fit, you can definitely stick true to size. But if you have wider feet, or if you're someone that likes more of a roomy fit, you definitely should go up a half size. Just to give you guys a point of comparison, for recent Gel-Lyte 3s, I'm able to go true to size with a size 10 no problem. But for this shoe, it felt very snug, especially across the width on the forefoot. And while trying them on, it feels manageable. I'm pretty sure that if I was to wear these for many hours in a day, eventually it would start irritating my feet. And my personal opinion is to go up a half size if you have wider feet. Next up, in terms of comfort, so I've said this before in past reviews, but I feel like Asics Gel-Lyte 3s and Gel-Lyte 5s, they're some of the more comfiest shoes on the market. Like I said before, the midsole feels pretty soft to the touch, but it's not an overly thick midsole. So with that said, it's going to give you a nice squishy feel underfoot, but it's not going to be that unstable and you're not going to lose all your ground feel. And with the addition of the gel technology underneath the forefoot and the heel, there is some springiness and responsiveness underfoot as well. So I feel like straight out of the box, this is a shoe, assuming you get the sizing right, that'll feel great on feet. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and the craftsmanship, so this was the biggest issue I had with the salmon toe pair. And for this pair, I thought that the quality of the materials, again, just like the salmon toes, the quality I thought was good. The suedes on the toe box, the nubucks, and especially this black colored leather on the rear of the shoe, I thought that the material quality was pretty solid. But with improved craftsmanship, I honestly would be very pleased with the end product. But just like the salmon toes, the build on the shoe was a little bit lacking. There was a ton of glue surrounding where the midsole was attached to the upper, and a lot of that glue made its way onto the upper of the shoe as well. And again, I don't think my pair was necessarily the worst I've seen. I've definitely seen pairs online on Reddit and some other forums where the toe boxes on the shoe were completely scuffed, or where the left foot and the right foot were completely discolored. So normally I associate quality with Asics, and especially for this being a collaboration, I was surprised how poorly made this was. So with all that out of the way now, let's lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Between this pair and the salmon toes, my pick obviously has to be the salmon toe colorway. I think the colorway is just a lot more iconic, whereas this one is a little bit more muted, which in all fairness does make this probably a bit more wearable, but I'm not someone that loves predominantly black leather shoes. The good thing is, if you guys are interested in picking these up and you struck out at retail, it seems like the prices on these on the secondary market is hovering for retail or even below retail, so that's good news for anyone who's looking to pick these up. So if you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on my Instagram page at esco8, check me out on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.